And now, on with the show.
Hi, I want to show you my field pricing tool I built with Python Flask. I'm using SQL to manage data, and I'm also using HTML and JavaScript for the front end. So this is a web page that you can log in. You have a user. Once you are paying your subscription, you can add more users to your account. You can do that in this place. You can see the users. So here are some demo users. You can add more users, or you can erase or delete the existing users. So it's a very easy for the user, but well, this is all built in Python and Flask, as I mentioned. The core feature of this app is that you can see the prices of gas stations in Mexico and their competition. So here is all the information. This is generated automatically from information that is published by the government. So the application gathers this information and save it in a database, in a Postgres SQL. And well, when you click here, it generates this table that shows in blue your own site, and in gray the competition, the prices, the difference, and very important here, it shows the difference of the price of today versus yesterday. It also has a filter here where you can only show the site that are you And last but not least, you can see here these crosses or these checks. You can also add some pricing rules, and it will show you if you are okay with the rule or not. So here are the graphs. You can see the trend of the pricing for each of the micro markets. I will show you one. And here you can see that, for example, Masterfield has been doing dynamic pricing because it goes up and down. Also, all this information is gathered by the data that is saved in the database, and these graphs are generated in JavaScript. I'm using also a map. The map is very useful when new pricing analysts are added to the team. So you can show them where are the stations, what streets are important near, or what is the traffic in that site. And here also I have a cost model where you can monitor information of Pemex, one of the biggest suppliers in Mexico. You can also see the trend, what is the cost doing, and you can select terminals, because there are several terminals in Mexico. All right. we also have a section for reporting about pricing, about the averages, about each product, the difference against last week. This is very important to check the market. How are you in pricing? And I already showed you about users, how to add or delete users, but you can also do the same with your sites. For example, here are all the sites that are added for this demo site. You can see the brand, you can see what in what state and in what municipality are located. The government expedites a permit. You can see here what is a permit, and well, you can delete or you can add new stations, and you can see the competition. It will have the on-site as a competition, and well, you can see here the rest of the sites are the same sites that you can see also in the map. Well, if you have any doubts of how I build it, you can check my GitHub page, and also you can check my LinkedIn if you are curious of how it works.
This concludes our broadcast day. Good night, and God bless America.